วันนี้โปรจะรีบไปส่งของให้กับลูกค้านะคะมีของที่ต้องไปส่ง3 กล่องแล้วก็เดี๋ยวพี่เจฟกลับบ้านแล้วค่ะวันศุกร์เราจะมาดูกันว่าวันนี้พี่เจฟจะดุชาลีไหมโปรจะพยายามไม่โกรธพี่เจฟนะคะแล้วก็ยุ่งมาก แต่ว่าดีมากเลยที่จะรีบไปส่งของเพราะว่าชาลีอยู่บ้านกับมิเชลวันนี้ฝนตกนะคะแล้วก็ลูกเห็บตกชาลีก็เลยกลับบ้านเร็วมิเชลก็เลยมีเพื่อนอยู่โปก็จะรีบไปส่งของให้กับลูกค้าตอนนี้4 โมงเย็นโปรกำลังจะออกไปส่งของแล้วนะคะข้างนอกค่อนข้างมืดแล้วค่ะต้องรีบไปรีบกลับแล้วก็ก่อนไปโปรจะเปิดแคททีวีไว้ให้ชาลีกับน้องจะได้ไม่เหงาแล้วก็ไม่งอแงมีชาลีมีเชลบรรยากาศข้างนอกหนาวมากเลยค่ะฝนเพิ่งหยุดตกในโทรศัพท์ดูสว่างมากเลยนะคะแต่ว่าข้างนอกไม่มีแสงอาทิตย์แล้วค่ะจะไม่มืดสนิทแต่ว่าจะเป็นแบบดักIt's cool, Michelle. Yeah, it's cool. Very cool. Outside is very cool. Oh my god. Yeah, you cannot go outside because outside. So sad. Where Charlie? Where Charlie? Not stay with you. He's live in the small room. Go to find him. Come. วันนี้เป็นวันที่ฝนตกทั้งวันและด้วยความที่อากาศหนาวฝนที่ตกลงมาเลยกลายเป็นเกล็ดน้ำแข็งค่ะเป็นลูกเห็บเล็กๆเต็มไปหมดเลยนะคะโปรไปส่งของเสร็จต้องรีบวิ่งกลับบ้านค่ะเพราะว่าหนาวมากแล้วก็บางครั้งลมแรงมากๆเลยค่ะและตอนนี้พี่เจฟก็กำลังเดินทางกลับบ้านค่ะแต่ว่าฝนตกหนักตอนไปทำงานพี่เจฟขับสกูตเตอร์ไปโปรก็เลยบอกว่าให้จอดสกูตเตอร์ไว้แล้วก็ขับรถบรรทุกกลับมาบ้านเลยเพราะว่ากลัวว่าจะเกิดอันตรายนะคะทั้งมืดทั้งหนาวแล้วก็ลูกเห็บตกแบบนี้อันตรายมากๆเลยค่ะที่ทุกคนเห็นขาวๆเต็มถนนนั้นไม่ใช่หิมะตกนะคะแต่ว่าฝนที่ตกลงมาโดยที่อากาศหนาวมากๆค่ะมันทำให้กลายเป็นน้ำแข็งเหมือนเราอยู่ในช่องฟรีซนะคะไม่ใช่แบบก้อนน้ำแข็งใหญ่ๆแต่ว่าเป็นเหมือนเกรดน้ำแข็งอะไรประมาณนี้ค่ะถ้าดูด้วยสายตาจะดูสวยเหมือนหิมะเลยใช่ไหมคะแต่ตัวนี้ถ้าเกิดโดนผิวเราจะเจ็บๆคันๆค่ะเพราะว่าปริมาณน้ำฝนที่ตกลงมาหนาวมากแล้วก็แรงมากแต่ถ้าเกิดว่าเป็นหิมะผิวสัมผัสจะนุ่มกว่าค่ะน่าเล่นมากกว่าแล้วก็สนุกกว่าด้วย
So the nice drive weekend.
You bully my cat, Dave.
I just say if she is pregnant and she has one, then okay. But done 3 or 4 is right away too much.
I'm okay. Or if have
But
5 or
I
5.
think she has 0. But if she has one that's a little bit mongoloid, like. Cannot do like that. No, it's not nice. Cannot put that in the video.
Yeah, you bully my
No,
cat all the time, Jeff. You a lot bully.
I would still love it just as much. One leg a little bit short.
This is how my man do like this with my children. You
You
know?
cannot joke like that. No, not nice. You cannot joke about that.
You do,
You,
Jeff.
did it. You started it.
I know start. You
You
start.
said-
You talking about it.
You said first. You said that.
What I say? I'm not talking about cat, Jeff. I play my phone.
I don't know. I need to blame someone. Charlie said it first.
You not nice, Jeff. You really not nice to my cat. You know.
I just joke. I joke. I just joke.
I have to take care of my cat.
I'm joking. What am I talking about? What am I saying? Bro, why are you filming me?
Because you bully my cat. Let's see this week how many times you will bully my
Don't
cat.
believe it. Don't believe what she said. I don't do anything. I'm not saying anything.
You
I don't say anything bad. I'm not saying bad word.
you not say bad word, but you will see this week how many times you will bully my cat.
You cannot think me.
But when I say, I tell you how many times to cut Charlie ball,
Yeah, next month.
and then you cannot fix it, but you keep bully,
Yeah, why
and
not?
then you keep saying you will want only have not too much cat, and then you not cut Charlie ball. All you do, Jeff, this is not normal.
Monday, December 9.
Yeah, you really not normal, Jeff. It's because you.
Women usually don't really take accountability for.
You see, you are very tired, but still
their
keep
actions.
bully. I not understand this man. I really not understand.
Women will always try to put the blame to someone else. Like say, I never do that. I not start fighting. I not say anything like that.
You're not nice to my children.
I just joke around.
You not joke.
Cannot take it too serious. I always joke around.
You joke from the real you feeling, Jeff. It's just people not talking anything. I play phone, Charlie sleeping, Michelle sleep, and then you keep talking about cat. How Michelle have children like that. This man thinking about bad thing, toxic.
That's not joke. I just joke to myself. I don't care. Laugh about it. I laugh about myself. Can you put your alarm at like 8 a.m.?
With me, him
8 a.m.?
1 p.m. with me.
1 p.m.
Yes, 1 p.m.
Say 9 a.m. Okay. Good night tonight. Let's see it.
No, sit in the middle. I love you. I love you, Charlie.
I think she's trying to see the future in
What about her future there?
She's asking my tree. Tell her. Please tell me. How many babies will I need? 2, 4? 1? Oh, it's only 1. Okay. I
sleep เจ็บ sleep okay good night Michelle you want to be tree Lori
Yeah, that's why she go into the neighbors' bushes too all the time.
she like soyo Jeep
Go to the neighbors' bushes.
we have to buy soyo and put in some cup for her big cup
She's a bird.
you sleep good in there we go to bed together
Just laying on top of your plant. Then. I get that her before.
really fit she not move it's fit fit put my help
Yeah, dirty here. See, plant on there. Yeah.
I know
Pancakes, apple pie, whipped cream, car tires, bicycles, wallpapers, windows and curtains and doors, doors and ceilings and pillows and beds and dogs and cats and horses and sheep and cows.
can
Noisy alarm clock in the middle of the night. Go to bed. Fuck's sake. Jesus Christ.
can we just ignore it not too loud not too loud
Trying to sleep here.
okay we just ignore okay if he not stop too long I will let him go to walk outside I have to charge him battery just a moment I go downstairs
No, you don't have to go down.
no I just will charge him
No.
I will charge the GPS but you know I want to ignore him don't talk to him
Yeah, ignore him. Don't
But-
pet him either.
yeah but you cannot do that
I'm trying to sleep, but it keeps going so long.
yeah but I will charge GPS and him if him not stop I will let him outside but I don't want to do like this because if this is work he will do again next time
Yeah, he knows then he will get what he wants. So better not let him out.
yeah right now him massage bed and him purring
Maniac.
him need my attention
No, he needs to go and sleep.
him don't want I spend time with you
Yeah, that's it. You're jealous. You're jealous. That's it. Now we know. Jealous little boy.
he want I carry him
That's why.
and stay with him
Freaking jealous.
Charlie is a nice boy and when you're not home him not cry Jeff him
Yeah, because then he has you for himself. Alarm clock.
It's okay. Charlie, sleep with mommy?
No.
Charlie, come sleep. Yeah, massage bed. Yeah, massage like that.
Bean pie.
It's okay. Ignore, Jeff, ignore.
And next time you need to hide him. He cannot see me when I come home. So you take him out first, and then I come inside, and I'll go up right away, and then he can walk around only downstairs, and we sleep. Just need to make sure he not see me. He might smell my presence. I don't know.
You have to be quiet, not talk to Jeff.
I cannot say a word, and then
Yeah, when he hear you.
I will jump scare him in the morning. When he comes to you, yeah, fuck. Pancake, pancake, got you. Cannot control myself, saying bad word.
Good night.
I love you. Cannot film this, but it's privacy. It's private.
Even also kiss me so much, I think 100, 200, 2000 times. I cannot kiss too much.
No. Because I love you more.
Jeff, I love you more, but Thai people will not kiss and hug too much, Jeff, but we love.
Yeah, not nice.
Nice!
Why you not kissing up?
You kiss more. I over kiss, Jeff. Over kiss too much like this. It's just
Why not?
too much. It's overacting.
You want to like yeah, okay, good night.
Like that.
So boring. So boring.
Yeah, we kiss only like that.
So boring. Why are you so boring? I never know Thai people are boring like that.
Why you complain? โอ้ย
That's how I do it, yeah.
โอเค wake up
Wake up.